Hello friends, welcome to Coding Garden with CJ. In this short video, I'm going to give you an introduction to my channel. So Coding Garden is where I do live streams regularly of myself live coding full stack JavaScript apps or doing tutorials or walkthroughs. If you click on videos, you can see some of my more recent live streams. One thing you'll notice about a lot of my videos is I don't like to edit. I will just leave in mistakes so you can really see my process and kind of learn as a beginner how to get through errors and stuff like that. You can also check out some playlists. I have a full playlist on building a backend app, a playlist on doing auth, lots of other playlists in there. If you visit coding.garden, you can see my full streaming schedule. All of the times are in Mountain Standard Time, so be sure to convert it to your local time zone. And if you follow me on Twitter, coding_garden, you can get alerted of the latest live streams. Lastly, if you have any requests or suggestions for videos, live streams, walkthroughs, tutorials, or anything like that that I should make, visit poll.coding.garden, log in with Google, and then you could suggest a video or click the heart on an existing suggestion to vote for that suggestion. Again, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.